Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll do DMAS, which is used in solving arithmetic expressions. For any queries, you can contact me on Instagram. Its link is in the description. Like, share and subscribe. So what is DMAS? DMAS is DMAS. D stands for division. M for multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So, in arithmetic expressions, we use this rule to solve them. Suppose this is an arithmetic expression. So this is an arithmetic expression. In this expression, we will see where are divisions. So here is division and here is division. So first we will solve this. First step is to solve division part. Rest we'll write as it is 63 into 2 plus. When we divide 218 by 1, we get 218. Then minus sign as it is. Then we'll divide 72 by 9, we get 8. Okay, this is first step. Now second step is multiplication. We'll see where is multiplication. We have only one multiplication operation here. We'll multiply 63 by 2. That is 126. Rest we'll write as it is. Okay. Now we'll add these two terms because next is addition. 126 plus 218. This is column method. We put them like this and then we'll add one by one. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 2 plus 1 3. It is 344. So 344 minus 8. This will be the last step, that is subtraction step. On subtracting 8 from 344, we get 336. 336. You can subtract separately and then write the answer, or you can subtract mentally. So this is how this question is solved by using DMAS rule. Now suppose if we take this another example, in this arithmetic expression we see that we have two division parts. First we will divide them. Rest we'll write as it is. Dividing 8 by 4 we get 2 minus 35 divided by 7 we get 5. Now this was first step. Second step we see where is multiplication. Here is multiplication. We will multiply and rest we'll write as it is. It will be 287 plus multiplying any number with 0 we get 0 plus 2 minus 5. Now next step is addition. We have to add. We'll add 287 with 2. We get 289 minus 5. And last step is subtraction part. We'll subtract 5 from 289. We get 284. So this will be the answer. This is another example of simplification. We'll use DMAS rule again. So first step is to find out where we have to divide. D is for division. This one and this. Rest we'll write as it is. 6 into 5 plus dividing 21 by 3 we get 7 minus again 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now second step is multiplication. We'll find where is multiplication here. 6 into 5 is 30 plus 7 minus 5. Now third step is addition. We will add the terms. Here is addition. This is 37 minus 5. Now last step is subtraction. Subtracting 5 from 37 we get 32. So 32 will be the answer if we will solve this expression. Okay. This is another example. To simplify, we'll use Demas rule again. So first we have to find out where we have to divide. So here we have to divide. On dividing 52 by 2, we get 26. Rest we'll write as it is. Now second step is multiplication. We'll do multiplication part. Here we have two terms to be multiplied. 26 plus 133 into 10 will be 1330 plus anything multiplied with 1 will be number itself, that is 28 minus 53. Now next is addition. We'll add all the terms to be added. We see that there are 3 terms to be added, 26 plus 1330 and 28. You can write them separately in a column and then you can add. We'll do it right here. 1330 plus 26 plus 28. Now you can add them all together. 6 plus 8 will be 14. 4, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. We'll write 3 and 1 as it is. So it will be 1384 minus 53. Now you have to subtract 53 from 1384. You can also write them separately and subtract. In column, we'll get, I'll subtract it directly, 1331. So this will be the answer. Thanks for watching this video.